In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove people from a Slack channel. This is a simple but useful task to know, especially when you're cleaning up channel access or making sure only the right people can view a conversation. Removing someone from a channel only removes their access to that specific channel. It does not remove them from your entire Slack workspace, so keep that distinction in mind as you go. To begin, open Slack either in the desktop app or in your web browser. Once Slack is open, go to the left-hand sidebar and click on the channel where the person is currently a member. Make sure you enter the correct channel before making any changes, since the removal will only apply to the channel you have selected. After you're inside the channel, look toward the top of the message area. In the channel header, you'll see the channel name along with the current member count. Click directly on that member count. This will open the About panel on the right side of the screen, where Slack gives you more information and management options for the channel. Inside that panel, click on the Members tab. This section shows everyone who currently has access to the channel and can view or participate in the conversation. If the channel has a lot of people in it, take a moment to carefully scan the list so you don't remove the wrong person by mistake. Next, find the person you want to remove. Once you locate their name, click the three dots to the right of their row. This opens the Actions menu for that member. From the drop-down options, choose Remove from Channel. This is the command that revokes their access to the channel's messages and shared files. Slack will then show a confirmation prompt asking you to verify the action. This extra step is helpful because removing someone takes effect right away. If everything looks correct, click Remove to finalize the update. Once the action is complete, Slack will usually post a small system message in the channel indicating that the member has been removed. That person will no longer see the channel in their sidebar, they won't receive notifications from it, and their access is revoked immediately. And that's the full process. It's quick, straightforward, and useful for keeping your channel membership organized and up to date. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.